गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट। पिछले वीडियो में हमने असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में सॉर्ट करना देखा था। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू sort the data frame in descending order of a column. For performing sorting in descending order, the syntax is same. Data frame dot sort value is a function, column name and ascending equal to false or 0. So this particular portion will make the order in descending order. So see how to write with example. See, this is one data frame. So this is import statement. These are the values for dictionary. This is key, this is the key, and these are the values for the this particular key. So this will become the columns, this will become the data values. So see, 1 2 3 columns are there, and from this line number 5 we have created dictionary. Line number 6 will print the dictionary. Line number 7 is the important. Df equal to df dot sort value. The result will be stored, sorry, result will be this. Line number 7 is important. Df, the df dot equal to df dot sort. This is the sort values. So this is the function. Result will be stored in this data frame itself. Sort values, ename is the name of the column. This is column name on which we want to sort, and ascending equal to false. So ename will be sorted in the descending order of the name. After sorting, this is the result before sorting, this is the original. Before sorting, the data frame was in this order. You can notice this is before sorting, and this is after sorting. So you can see the name first name is V, then U. It is alphabetical order, descending order of the English alphabets. So hope you understood. Only we have to do one changes in the previous example, that is ascending equal to false. If you do not write anything, this portion if you omit, then it will sort in the ascending order. Or if you write ascending equal to true, as we know that by default it sorts the data into, either you write ascending equal to true or you omit this particular portion, so it will sort according to ascending order. Now next is to sort a data frame based on the multiple columns. Suppose if you want to sort the data on the basis of multiple columns, suppose this is a one data set. I want to sort first on the basis of name and then on the basis of percentage. Suppose two Akash are there and they have got one student got 50 and another student got 60. So which one will come? Both the Akash will come in order, but which Akash will come first? So if both are having same marks, then we can go for another column, but we want to sort only for which Akash. If we sort in ascending order, then 50 Akash with marks 50 will come first, and if we sort on in descending order, then Akash with marks 60 will come afterwards. So let us see how to do this. So up to line number 5 the same things are there, so it will create a data frame. Now line number 7 is very important. Data frame dot sort values by equal to, see, do not forget to put this square bracket, is very important when you are assigning for multiple columns. Single column is there, then you can write directly one column name. First we have to see the percentage, then roll number, and ascending equal to true. And this means, see, roll number will be, sorry, percentage will be arranged in ascending order and roll number will be arranged in descending order. What it means, first it will look for the percentage value. If the percentage are same, see here, then it will see roll number in descending order. We will see the example. See, this is the result. First, see, all these percentage are in the ascending order, but as there are two students having their percentage same, so but now if the percentage is same, we have asked to check a roll number. So whoever is having higher roll number or greater roll number, that will be put. Why? Because we are sorting roll number in descending order. You see line number 5, roll number 106 has come first and roll number 105 has. If we have mentioned roll number also in ascending order, then this row will come first and then this will come second. But as we have given roll number in descending order, so this has come first and this has come second. Hope you have understood. This is important. These two lines are important. Please see this carefully. First check the percentage, then check the roll number.